How's it going, guys? Out here this morning waiting on a delivery. Recently had a little bit of a failure, and the small tractor that we have had for 20 years finally had reached its last leg. It was a Cub Cadet 5252 small series tractor. And I've abused it, I'll admit. You know, I have had to do a lot of various things with it that would require normally probably a little bit larger machine, but it has done fine for over 20 years. Started having some issues with it within the last few years. Those issues got worse. Of course, just basically some of it was just general deterioration, even though I kept it in the garage. There were things that you just can't help time. So with all of the issues that we were having with it, had been looking around at some and didn't really want to spend the money, and just finally had gone through several repairs on the Cub. The mowing deck that has deteriorated to the point that there's not a lot of solid metal left in it, at least not enough to do a lot of welding, so I've had to actually do some bracing of the deck, just using some bolts and real big washers to just try to hold it together. And here just a few weeks ago, the engine finally completely let go. Fooled with it a bit, and with all of the issues with it, I've just decided it's time to replace it. Got it sitting here, you can see there behind me. It's been a good machine. It's been a real good machine. I have no complaints about it. And but now got something new coming. If you are looking at the title of this video, and of course the Cub died basically where it's sitting at now. What I've got coming is a John Deere 1025. So that's what this video is going to be about. I'm just going to be showing you guys the delivery and going over the tractor with you. Looking at several different ones, I think it's going to be the one that fits my needs the most for right now. So here we go. And there it is, guys. Here it is, guys, fresh off the trailer. And of course, I'm sure that some of you guys, if you are watching this video, you are either looking at potentially buying one of these, or you may already own one. So just a quick walk around to show it to you. And yep, it is exactly what I knew it would be. I really like the tires on this newer model compared to some that are just a few years old. If you go back and look at some of the model differences, you will see a difference on the tires if you go back a few years. I like some of the upgrades that are on this, like the armrests, the lights, the work lights. You know, I looked at the 1023 initially as well, and I was thinking very seriously about going with that one, but for the efforts of the guys down in Bowling Green, Kentucky is where I got this from. So the delivery guy had quite a trip to get out to me. I got it from down there at the John Deere dealer. I'll let you guys look up what dealer that is, and I really am appreciative to Corey and the crew down there who were able to fix me up, as well as the delivery guys, and I really appreciate it. So This is just an initial walk around of the new John Deere 1025. And again, I mentioned the reason that I went with the 1025, part of it, some of the upgrades over the 1023. However, I was very close to buying the 1023, but after talking to Corey, after what they were able to do for me on this one, the cost difference was close enough that I just went ahead and got the 1025. Guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. There's going to be some more videos on the John Deere 1025R coming in the near future, and look forward to hearing from you as well. Let me know your thoughts if you have one of these, if you've drove one of these, if you've had any kind of issues, problems, that sort of thing, things to watch out for, because this one is new to me. And any advice you guys have, I will be more than appreciative. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on the channel, and we will see you next time.